Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Topa here. Back again with another video today, guys. Today, Sread will be joining me again. He is just on the other side doing his intro. So, yeah, let's go meet up with him. Yo, hello? Sread, you there? He's on this. Oh,
Mm,
hello.
naughty.
Welcome back. I see you have decided to
No,
record again.
no.
What are you doing?
No. Please don't deport me.
Okay,
I'm just trying to.
well, I have got plans for today, guys. Sread, do you have anything to do? Or are you just gonna be...
I'm just gonna help you. I'm just gonna help
You're
you.
gonna help me. Okay. Let's see if you're a good helper or not. So today, guys, my plan is to make a farm because I'm right now literally I'm running out of food and I need food. So I'm
I'm more hungry
thinking,
than you, bro. You haven't gave me any food since the last weekend.
have I? Oh,
I'm
okay.
starving over here.
Oh, okay. Well,
Bro.
that's okay. I'll give you food. Don't worry about that. But we'll both be able to have food when the farm is complete.
Guys,
So
help me. He's taking control of me. Help.
um, I think. What do you think? Wheat. You know, bread's a good source.
Yeah,
Probably the best.
weed also. Yeah, weed. I'm gonna make a weed farm.
He is not going to make a wheat farm. But what are you doing? Oh, okay. Right, guys. Like I said, I just quickly filled in. Like I said, I chopped the trees down because we're kind of getting in the way, and I just filled this in real quick, so it wasn't just like mixed sand and oh, yeah, stop and grass. So you said you're gonna help me, right? You said you're gonna help me, right? Okay.
Yes,
You can
yes.
either get me wood or seeds. Pick
Seeds.
seeds. Okay, that means I have to go get wood because we're running low on wood. So I am gonna go make a quick tree drop-in run. Alright, guys, just on my way back home now. I got some wood. I got about almost 3 stacks of wood. Sreed, how many seeds do you have?
Almost a stack.
What would you say?
Almost a stack.
Almost a stack. Okay, that's good. That's good for now. Place some of this in there. Oh, there's another seed in there. I'm gonna go. S.
No.
Only night time.
Typing.
Typo. Oh, okay.
Typo. Tipo.
I need to
Tipo.
think with it. I'm probably gonna make it on this side as well. You know, right next to like farms and stuff. I think like this side's gonna be the farm area. I'm thinking of making it over water. Oh, see, I'm running out of food again. Oh, this is not good. I need food. I'm probably gonna make it over water. Yeah, because then it's already. I'm not gonna keep any food. There should be some in here. What do we have? Pork chop. Yeah, I can cook that, and that's it. These pork chops real quick. Okay, that's the pork chop done.
Cook? You have cooked pork chop?
No, it was only one piece, and I ate it.
I use
Oh,
too bad.
actually, I'll keep torch on. So I think I'll make like a nice pathway going here, and this will be like where the farm starts. I need a shovel,
I'm
but yeah.
Muslim.
Oh, so I'm gonna do an outline with logs.
Allahu Akbar.
Um, okay.
What is it?
So,
I just Allahu Akbar.
alright, I'm gonna need that as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What about it, huh?
2, 3.
What about it?
I think that's okay.
What about it?
What about
Huh?
what, mate?
Just because I said Allahu Akbar? What about it?
you, you do
Yeah,
you,
you
buddy.
fuck it.
You do you. Wait. So that's gonna go there. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. That.
Guys, I'm very hungry. He hasn't fed me in 6 weeks now.
What did you say?
Oh,
All I heard was 6 weeks. I'll do one more layer. So 1, 2,
let
3,
me hear
4,
it,
5,
guys.
6. He's placed the way I want you to place. Oh, of course you don't. And of course you don't. You have to do
Me
this.
need food. Give me food. I need food.
I don't have food.
What do you not understand? Are you poor bitch?
You need to chill, buddy. Oh
I
my days,
need
this is taking
food.
forever.
I need food.
Don't have
No,
food.
creeper. Creeper. Creeper.
Oh,
Momokla.
I swear, if I see something blown up over there,
What did you say?
I said if I see something blown up over there, you are dead.
No, no, no. What was the first thing you said?
Oh, you drop seeds. Oh,
No, 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 no.
in
What
there.
what was the other thing you
Ooh.
said?
Yeah, I'll let you give that. I'll put, there was one extra seed. I'll just put it in there for now. You know, there's definitely not just two, but you know,
I'm so rich. I'm so rich. I'm gonna be the richest in my village.
I'm sure you are. Oh, I forgot to make the shop. I'll just show you the block. Okay, and go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then another one. Oh, this is gonna take forever. I'm not gonna
Help.
okay. Oi,
Help.
go. 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5,
Help.
6.
Yes.
Then I'll do that. This.
What are you trying to make?
This is gonna be the frame. Like in the middle, there's gonna be the farm. Should I go one more? I'll go one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go. Okay, there we go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is gonna come through here. Hello. Oh, careful. Okay. Gold. There it is. You said you helped me not break it. Thank you.
Okay, let me help then. Let me help,
1,
bro.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make this 3 as well. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 2 in the middle and then 2 in the corners. So are you breaking kelp?
I'm trying. Help. I'm
Good job.
trying. I don't know how to swim.
Just
Help.
you don't know how to. You are actually gonna
Help.
die. Are you actually gonna die?
Help. 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 Help.
Oh,
Help.
you're actually
Oh,
gonna die. Oh wow, you
I
got
am.
that
I
close.
am.
So 1, 2 in the middle. I need to go one more.
I have 2.5 hearts. Oh
2,
no, I have
3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, yeah, I'll just leave it like that. I'm not gonna cut this as well.
my dick. Dead
Oh, here it
rat.
is.
That was weird.
1,
Isn't that
2,
weird?
3, 4, 5, 6. Underneath and over. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you okay? I'm sure you are. Oh,
أعوذ بالله. الله
1,
أكبر. الله
2,
أكبر. الله
3,
أكبر.
4,
الله
5,
أكبر.
6. There we go. Oh, I need to connect this as well. Don't even bring him here. Don't. You just love making holes.
Whoa. What do you mean by that?
Letting creepers blow up everywhere, making giant holes.
Cap.
I need this. Okay, let me. Why did I just say glass?
I don't have
Oh,
anything
you
on
had
me.
glass. Okay. Can you
No,
place
I
the
just
enchant
have
table back down? Actually.
no, cause I
What?
have No, I haven't broken my.
Oh, it works.
I'm just kidding.
You guys, it reset already.
Glad.
It's working. 1, 2, 3,
How
4,
can I
5,
break one
6.
of its farms?
Oi.
No, you break one.
Yeah, I did.
No, you break one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh,
I was
oh,
helping you. You see,
wow, I
I
know
was
you messed that
helping
up.
you.
Oh, careful.
Oh, my bad.
1,
My bad.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Now I need that. Okay. Do we have any? No. I have 7 pieces. That's not good enough. Oh, I'm gonna have to go get that, aren't I?
Fine, I'll do it.
We'll both do it. There
Let
we
me.
go.
No, me do it. Me do it.
I need
I just
sticks.
do it. Okay. I just do it. I just do it.
No, it's okay.
Nah, you stupid Benjon. I do it.
Sread, Sread, look at this. Oh, good idea. What can I get? Efficiency 1? Why not? It'll help. It's a bad enchant, but it'll help.
Bismillah. On breaking one. I got the best one. On breaking
Efficiency.
one isn't.
No, I'm saving this for later. Okay, back to getting dark. It's
Running out
done.
of.
Alright, guys, I just finished getting all the dirt. This isn't all, but I just got 3 to give me some of his as well. I didn't mind that much. I only got like 5 stacks or something. He is still mining. I told him we have enough, but yeah, he's assigning to dirt mining. It's his new job.
Hey, I'm not poor.
I'm just gonna food these souls since we have this extra.
Bro, I really need to get us some diamond armor.
What?
I really need us to get some diamond armor.
I'm not worrying about that just yet.
I could get us some diamond armor.
Okay.
Like, I could get. How many stacks do we need for 2 diamond armor?
48.
Like 2 fully diamond armor.
2 full
Okay.
diamond armor was
For 2?
48.
Okay. That's not gonna be that hard. I normally mine 3 stacks because sometimes I'm scared. I have almost.
Oh. And there's half of it done. Oh, I'm gonna need to hold this as well. This is faster. Oh. Keep messing up.
And almost done.
And that should be it. Okay. So I filled everything. I'm gonna get some fences because I want to fence this in as well. Just work with the wood I have. Just done this, and I'll use what? Yeah, there we go. That's more than enough. Let me also make a hole. Oh, there it is. There we go. And let me just fence this in. Make it look all nice. I'm just gonna go around here. No, look at it, I'm gonna have enough.
Oh, hey!
What's up?
What do you not have enough of?
Fences. I have enough dirt. Don't worry.
Um,
Go.
um, my majesty.
Why'd you bring out that 8 stacks of darts? Okay. Let me have your seeds as well.
I don't have that much. We don't have enough, I know.
How many seeds do you have?
61.
Okay, about a stack. That's good. I don't think it's enough, but that is good. What do I need? Oh wait, I need to make more fences. Let me just make more sticks like this.
I need the food.
Don't worry, the farm's almost done. Okay.
What? What? Wait, do you have bone meal?
I think I have bones, but I'm not sure.
Give me bones. Give me bones. Give me
Not
bones.
on
Give me
me.
bones. All then you don't have bones. I know. I know. I know. I know.
I'm just gonna put these in the corners. Oh, no, I'm gonna have exactly enough.
Gidigi bidigi fuddig.
Oh, look at that.
Fuddig buddig fuddig.
Okay, I'm just gonna hold it all, and then I'll save it all. Now, my question is, does the water go to it, like, if it's underneath? I don't think it does it? Oh no, it does. Oh, this is really fun. Hey! Stop that. Wait, no, stop.
Yeah, but the water doesn't have enough time to
I don't think oh no, the water can reach over here, unless it's... No, stop jumping!
It's not me.
It is. I think I'm gonna do, like, this. Oh, I can't get up. Wait. Now I can. Let me do this. No, you... Break it! Oh, okay, there we go. I need to make a slab. Why did I just... Okay, we'll put one here. I need 2 steps. Okay, now that should fix it. Because I think the problem was the water not being able to get to it. Okay. Oh, it's taking a long time.
Let me do it.
Nope. It's quite satisfying. What are you doing? My hole broke. Need to make another one.
Pause. 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 Pause.
What?
Pause.
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 Okay, there we go.
Pause.
now we need to plant the seeds. Let's quickly
Pause.
make it daytime.
Pause.
You know what? I'll just do a quick magic trick. I'm gonna dig a hole. I'll put something there. And it's daytime. Oh,
Wakey,
you scared
wakey,
me.
it's time for school.
There we go.
It's time for school.
Now I need my seeds. And let me see how far I can go. You stop. Don't even. Wait, the one. Oh, no, wait, wait, wait. Okay. This is not even gonna fill a whole row. This was like almost half a row.
Give me some scissors.
Scissors? Why do
What
you
is
need scissors?
scissors? Adios too, but
Okay, guys.
cause I can get weed easier.
Guess I'm gonna make a seed collecting montage. Alright, guys. I got about a stack. Yeah, a stack and a bit. Oh, where those came from? I got about a stack and a bit of seeds. Just gonna quickly get some bone meal so I can eat food because I am starving. I literally
Hey,
can't move.
what do you
Where's?
mean?
Let me put that.
I'm starving.
You can have food as well. Don't worry. Yeah, I got some bone meal. Oh, you placing seeds? Okay. I'm a coming.
I really need food, and then I'll place. Aha ha ha. Aha ha ha. I'm so wealthy. Aha ha ha.
I'm sure you are.
Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
How much food?
Ha
I
ha
got
ha
8.
ha.
So we each get a piece. Well, there you go. That's enough now, I guess.
I have 4 hunger bars.
I have 5. So
Yo, let me real quick drink the seawater.
that's.
Yo.
I don't think that's gonna help. I think that's actually gonna make it worse.
I don't feel so good.
Oh, we still need more. That's so annoying.
My tummy hurt.
We still need more. Okay, you know
My
what, guys?
tummy
We
hurt.
will probably, well, I'll probably just fill in as they grow, and by next episode, I'm just gonna stay here on the server. It's probably gonna be full, so yeah, no need to worry about that. But for now, I guess we're just gonna have to be hungry. I mean, I could eat this golden apple, but we all know that would be a waste. So I'm just gonna empty out my inventory.
Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at
Hold on.
me, look at me. Look at me, look at me.
Hold
Look
on.
at me.
Hold on, mate. What? What? Well done. I'm not wasting mine. Where's the waters? But I want to check something real quick. Whilst we've been just playing on the server, I want to see how much sugarcane we've made. See, look at that, it's already growing again. 34. We started at 27. So we've been playing for like 20 minutes. So I bet like we get like 40 an hour. So that's good.
The door won't open.
What though?
The door won't open. Oh.
Guys, what am I gonna do with him? But yeah, I
I'm
think that's it
smarter
for
than him.
today. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Me and Sread did quite you did just ruin it. Okay. Me and Seed did quite a lot. We did good today. We made quite the big of a farm. We still need some seeds, but by next episode I'll be done. I'm just gonna stay AFK. Probably just gonna go get more seeds instead of waiting and just fill it out. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and yeah, that's it. Peace.